Alright, welcome, I'm Sarb Johal, and today I am trying out the Osmo Pocket for some street photography. Stay tuned. And yes, we are straight into it. What I'm trying to do here is test out how effective it is to walk around with an Osmo Pocket in video mode around promising street scenes, and how effective it is to pull stills from that footage to make photos. Is that cheating? I don't know. For me, it's just another method to capture street. And it's also a good way to try and get some more candid shots as you cross people's paths, rather than getting side-on views or glancing glide-bys. So if you're feeling a bit shy, this might get you started in street photography. I got the idea because it's actually really easy to grab stills from GoPro footage using the desktop app that comes free with it. So I was wondering how to do this with the Osmo Pocket 2. I ended up using my usual editing tool, LumaFusion, on my iPad, and that enables me to cut the video and grab the first frame in the section as a high-res image. Neat, hey? Now, I'm not pretending that any of the images I captured today are earth-shattering, but there's a couple of nice ones. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So one of the things that can interfere is the bright light and moving from shadow to bright sunlight. And I tried to tackle this using an ND16 filter, but I think that sometimes things just ended up too dark and I wound up with noisy images. And I don't think high ISOs work so well on the Osmo Pocket with Auto ISO in these circumstances, so I'd have to find another way. So this is really a proof of concept, really. Have a look and tell me what you think. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you more about the equipment I used to capture the images today. Right, I've run out of juice on my Osmo Pocket, so just a quick rundown on the equipment that I used to do this street photography test with the Osmo Pocket today is the Osmo Pocket itself, of course. There it is in its little case. The wireless connector here, which is lodged in its Elanzi tripod mount there, just for convenience and so I don't lose it. And then this chest grip mount, which goes onto your bags and stuff like that as well. It's a nice, very firm grip. And this little Elanzi mount, which wraps around the Osmo Pocket and keeps it nice and vertical whilst I'm using it. And I use the controller on my iPhone in order to manipulate where I wanted the Osmo Pocket to point onto. And I also had a Polar Pro ND filter, which actually probably made a little dark with the variable light, so it'd be interesting to see what I've actually managed to capture. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more, and let me know what you think. Have you tried using your Osmo Pocket in unusual situations like street photography and grabbing 4K stills? Or have you been more deliberate and actually pressing the shutter button? I did that a couple of times and I might try that again soon. Cheers, thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.